Students, welcome to all in environmental studies lecture. Today in this lecture we are going to start our last unit number 24, time and space. So let's we start. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I can see the sun rising in the sky. I can see the sun. First, what I can see? The sun rising in the sky. I should get ready to go to school. Then after, I should get ready to go to school. Then I have my breakfast at 8 o'clock. I have my breakfast at 8 o'clock. Then my school begins at 9 o'clock. My school starts at 9 o'clock. Then I have my lunch at 12 noon. I take my lunch at 12 noon time. Then the sun is overhead in the sky. When the noon time is there, the sun is overhead in the sky. I return home at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. When I return 3 o'clock, I go out to play at 5 o'clock in the evening. At evening time, I go out to play. Then at night time, I return when the sun sets and it becomes dark. When it becomes dark, we called it is a night. You can see in this picture, at a night time, I watch TV for a while, do my homework, have my dinner and get ready for bed. At a night time, what activity I do? Watch the TV, do my homework, have my dinner and get ready for a bed. Then I say my prayer and go to sleep at 8 o'clock. I say my prayer and go to sleep at 8 o'clock. Then I have to get up again at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Tomorrow morning again. I get up at 6 o'clock. Then days of the week. How many days of the week? 7 days are there. Sunday, first day is the Sunday. So that day we have the holiday. So today is a Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Yesterday which day? Yesterday was the Saturday. We played games in the school yesterday. That means Saturday we played the games in the school. Then in the Saturday comes before Sunday. Saturday comes before Sunday. And tomorrow is a Monday. If today is a Sunday, then tomorrow is the Monday. Monday comes after Sunday. Monday when come? After Sunday, Monday comes. Sunday is between Saturday and Monday. Sunday is between the Saturday and Monday. I go to school on 6 days. Which days? 6 days. Then it is Sunday again. Then after Sunday come and Sunday is a holiday. Which day we have to go to school? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These 6 days we have to go to school and again Sunday comes, so Sunday is a holiday. Now there are 7 days in a week. Which are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Months of the year. How many months are there? There are 12 months in a year. Which are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So there are 12 months of the year and 7 days of the week. January is the first month of the year. Which month is the first? January is the first month of the year. February, March, April, May are the months of the summer. These months are in a summer season. Which are they? February, March, April, May. The schools are closed for vacation. At summer time, schools are closed for the vacation. The days are very hot. In the summer season, the days are very hot. Now, June month. In a June, the school reopens. After finishing the vacation, in a June month, the school is reopened. Then, July, August are the month of the rain. These months are in a rainy season, July and August. September, October, November are the festival month. Which are the festival months? September, October, November are the festival months. Then December is the last month of the year. Which is the last month? December, and first month is the January. Then the days are very cold. In a December season, the days are very cold because that time winter season is ongoing. Then I was born in the month. You all are born in which month? Write that month there. Then space. What is a space? Let's we see. We have so many places, people and things around us. We have so many places, people and things around us. We need to know where they are. We need to know where they are. The location is the place or a position of the things. The location is the place or a position of the things. These all are about the space. Let me look at the picture and find the location of the things. For example, where is the cat? You can see in this picture, in the first picture, the cat is in the box. In the second picture, the cat is on the mat. And in the third picture, the cat is under the table. Then, next picture, the cat is near the tree. In the fifth picture, the cat is in front of the box. And in the sixth picture, the cat is under the table. So this all sees the space. Some places are near our house and some are far. That means some places are near our house and some are the far. Some shops, park, market are near my house. I can walk to these places. The places which are near to us, that place we can walk to that places. A railway station is a far from my house. A railway station is a very far from my house. I cannot walk to far away places. That means the place which are near we can walk, but the places which are far away that we can't walk. Now let's we move to our exercise. New words. Let's we start. Morning, morning. Sunday, sunday. May, may. rising, rising. saturday, Saturday. june, June. ready, ready. yesterday. July. BREAKFAST breakfast, TUESDAY Tuesday, AUGUST August. Then OVERHEAD overhead, WEDNESDAY Wednesday, SEPTEMBER September. RETURN return, THURSDAY Thursday, OCTOBER October. Then AFTERNOON afternoon, FRIDAY Friday, NOVEMBER November. Then EVENING evening, MONDAY Monday, DECEMBER December. BECOMES becomes JANUARY January, PLACE place. HOMEWORK homework, FEBRUARY February, LOCATION location. PRAYER prayer, MARCH March, MARKET market. TOMORROW tomorrow, APRIL April, PARK park. So these all are the new words of this unit. Write in a school notebook and learn these all spellings. Now let's we move to our next exercise. Question number 2. Answer the following. First one is the when do you get up in the morning? Answer is I get up 6 o'clock in the morning. Second number, name a 3 things you do in the evening. Which 3 things do you do in the evening? Answers are watch the TV, do my homework, play with your friends. Question number 3. Which day of the week is a holiday? Answer is Sunday is a holiday. Question number 4. How many months are there in a year? Answer is there are 12 months in a year. Now let's see move to our next exercise. Fill in the blanks. First one is Tuesday comes after Monday. Tuesday when come? After the Monday. Second one is Wednesday comes before Thursday. Wednesday comes before Thursday. Friday is between blank and blank. So your answer is Thursday and Saturday. Blank is the last month of the year. Answer is the December is the last month of the year. So these are the fill in the blanks. Now let's see move to our next exercise. Match the following. C. Sunrise. So what is the answer? Sunrise in the morning. Then noon time. So answer is the moon. Sorry. So answer is the night. July. July is the month of rain. And Xmas यानी कि Christmas. Christmas is the comes in month December. So these all are the exercise of this unit. Write in a school notebook as well as in a textbook and learn it properly. Thank you students. Have a nice day.